The Ferrari 12-cylindry Spider is propelled by the cutting-edge F140 HD engine, representing the latest evolution of Ferrari's iconic naturally aspirated V12 power plant. This engine is a testament to Ferrari's heritage, boasting unparalleled performance, a captivating soundtrack, and an aura of exclusivity reminiscent of legendary Berlinetta sports cars from the marque's illustrious past. The F140 HD engine is capable of unleashing a staggering 830 CV Valley Vapor horsepower and achieves a maximum rev limit of 9,500 revolutions per minute, thanks to the integration of innovative engineering solutions. To enable such high revs, Ferrari's engineers focused on reducing the weight and inertia of engine components. Titanium con rods were employed, resulting in a 40% reduction in rotating mass compared to steel counterparts, while maintaining mechanical strength. Additionally, lighter pistons crafted from a different aluminum alloy and a rebalanced crankshaft further contribute to weight reduction. Derived from Ferrari's Formula One expertise, the valve train incorporates sliding finger followers coated with diamond-like carbon. This technology minimizes friction, enhancing mechanical efficiency and responsiveness. The engine's torque delivery was meticulously optimized across all operating conditions, resulting in seamless and exhilarating response, with peak power achieved at the red line. The manifold and plenum layout were redesigned for enhanced compactness, allowing power to be unleashed more effectively at high revs. Variable geometry inlet tracks ensure optimized torque delivery throughout the engine's speed range by adjusting intake tract length dynamically. Innovative software was developed to tailor maximum torque output based on the selected gear, providing smooth and progressive acceleration as transmission ratios increase. This contributes to a unique driving experience characterized by a never-ending crescendo of power delivery. The introduction of aspirated torque shaping enables precise sculpting of the torque curve in specific gears without compromising acceleration, further enhancing driving pleasure. New gear ratios maintain high acceleration levels, while the engine's mechanical efficiency and lubrication circuit are optimized to reduce emissions and fuel consumption. The gasoline direct injection system operates at 350 bars and incorporates advanced electronic control for optimal fuel delivery. An ion control unit manages ignition, knock, monitoring, and fuel quality recognition, maximizing the engine's thermodynamic efficiency. The exhaust system features ceramic catalytic converters coupled with particulate filters, ensuring compliance with stringent emission standards while preserving Ferrari's signature V12 soundtrack. Every element of the intake and exhaust lines was meticulously optimized to achieve the perfect balance of comfort, luxury, and exhilaration. The interior of the Ferrari 12-cylindry Spider is meticulously designed, featuring 3 distinct levels that contribute to both the comfort and involvement of the driving experience. The first level, dominated by the upper part of the dash, seamlessly blends into the door panel trim, creating a sense of continuity throughout the cabin. The central area serves as the focal point, offering an elegant or sporty look depending on the chosen color and material combinations. Sustainable materials such as Alcantara, containing recycled polyester, underscore Ferrari's commitment to environmental sustainability. Inspired by Ferrari's dual-cockpit architecture, the cabin structure comprises 2 modules for the driver and passenger, ensuring an exceptional level of comfort and engagement. The dashboard extends horizontally, with clear separation between the upper section, housing instrumentation and climate control vents, and the lower section dedicated to technical functions. A color and material change accentuates the floating effect of the upper volumes, enhancing the feeling of lightness. The central tunnel panels extend outward from the dashboard, creating a sculptural gash emphasized by contrasting materials. Exclusive upholstery adorns the tunnel structure, featuring a Y-shaped metal element housing the iconic shift gate. While there is no rear bench due to the retractable hardtop storage, ample cabin space remains, making the Ferrari 12-cylindry Spider suitable for long journeys. The car introduces a new human-machine interface, HMI, with 3 displays, including a central touchscreen display, a driver display, showing driving and vehicle dynamics information, and a passenger display for an immersive co-driving experience. The capacitive steering wheel, equipped with indented buttons for precise control, ensures intuitive command activation even in sporty driving conditions. Standard mobile connectivity systems like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are easily controlled from the central display, which also features a wireless charging mat. Optionally available is a high-end audio system developed in collaboration with Burmester, boasting 15 loudspeakers and 1600 W for an unparalleled in-car listening experience. Crystal clear high frequencies and rich bass ensure a 360-degree listening experience, complementing the overall luxury and performance of the Ferrari 12-cylinder Spider's interior. The exterior design of the Ferrari 12-cylinder Spider represents a departure from previous mid-front-engined V12 Ferraris, showcasing a sophisticated and clean aesthetic while retaining the brand's signature sensuality. Clean lines and interconnected volumes define the car's geometry, creating a sense of unity and modernity. The flanks sweep back seamlessly, emphasizing the car's sleek profile. The sculpted bonnet integrates smoothly with the front wings, featuring minimal cut lines interrupted only by 2 vents for engine cooling. At the front, traditional design elements like elongated headlights and a traditional grille are replaced by bold geometric shapes and intersections. The headlights are integrated into a single wraparound band, with daytime running lights emerging like blades, contributing to a distinctive front-end appearance. The rear of the car is characterized by bold and expressive elements, including 2 buttresses behind which a black screen element is set. The crease lines on the buttresses echo the motif of the flanks, enhancing the overall expressiveness of the design. The taillights are set into a blade that traverses the entire concave rear section, creating a signature theme. Instead of a rear spoiler, 2 active flaps integrated with the rear screen form a delta theme, contributing to a high-tech aesthetic. The cabin design complements the exterior, with the frame of the surface traced in body color to integrate seamlessly with the rear screen theme. The tail section features a clean monolithic volume in body color, with a prominent diffuser in black or carbon fiber. The body appears to float over this element, creating a sense of dynamism. The tailpipes feature a new shape with a metal surround, reducing their perceived size and enhancing the car's compact appearance. Overall, the exterior design of the Ferrari 12-cylinder Spider embodies a harmonious blend of technical innovation and aesthetic beauty.